Hey guys, Seb from Wolf Media here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn a live photo into a boomerang for your Instagram stories. So this video is going to be super quick, super easy, and you can essentially turn all of your future photos into Instagram boomerangs if you just turn on this one feature. So first things first, grab your iPhone and then open up your camera app. And then if you're using an iPhone 12 or higher, it should be on the top right side. And if you're using a lower end iPhone, then I think it's just in the middle. But essentially all you want to be looking for is this circle icon, which I have on the top right. And if I tap on it, it says live off, live on, live off, live on. So what we want is to have it on live on, and then we just want to take a boomerang. So all we have to do is just do some movement like this, and then take our picture. So I'm going to move on my chair, and then boom, I've got my picture. Now if we actually go to our gallery, we can see that it says live photo, and you actually do a quick preview. If you just tap on, if you just tap on the top left, then you can see live, loop, bounce, long exposure, and that's just to tell you that you have made a live photo and you've got all of these different settings. So if we swipe off of that and then open up Instagram, what we want to do is make a story. So if you click on the create button on the top and then do story, then open up our gallery, you'll then see that we have our live boomerang. So the live boomerang is going to be the first photo that you just saw I took. And then you can also see I've got some other pictures, and these are just normal pictures. So they're not actually boomerangs. We can't turn those into boomerangs. The ones that you can turn into boomerangs are the ones that have the boomerang icon. So if you go ahead and click on that, we'll have a new button that appears on the top, says create a boomerang from your live photo. So if we click on that, it's now going to turn it into a normal boomerang. And if you actually pay attention, you can crop it to change the length, and you also have some special effects. So if you just want the classic boomerang, then you have your classic boomerang. If you want to add some slow motion, you can add slow motion. Same thing if you want to add some echo, cool little effect, that's how to do it. And then the duo feature, I'm not too sure what it does, but it looks pretty cool. So yeah, you have a few options here, and then obviously if you just want to have it as a normal photo, just turn it as off. Then just press done, and then you can upload that as a story. So that's how to easily upload and create live Instagram boomerangs straight from your phone. So if you keep the live feature enabled on your camera roll, then all of your photos are going to be live photos, and then you can essentially turn them into Instagram boomerangs if you want to. Hope this video did help you out, and if you did and want to keep seeing more Instagram tips and tricks, Facebook tips and tricks, and video creation and marketing tips and tricks, then do not forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.